No, as I mentioned, it's a very great honor. As a citizen, being called upon to serve the nation at a time of crisis is a matter of a duty for all of us. At the same time, for me, it is an honor that I've been asked to lead the delegation, and I look forward very much to playing my part. I have always said that when my services are required by the nation, I should not be found wanting, and I had no hesitation in accepting the kind invitation of the government, which, to my mind, is nothing to do with politics and everything to do with our country's national interests. And national interests, to my mind, are always above everything else.
Your party, Congress, has put out a list of 4 names, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, saying that these are the names that we suggested and your name was not there in that list. How do you see this?
As I've said, the party is completely entitled to its opinion. Clearly, this being a government delegation, the government had its own opinion as to who they felt appropriate. And I'm very, I must say, unaware of any further contacts between the government and my party. And I think you should ask those concerned. As far as I'm concerned, I was asked, both in my capacity as a